Hey guys, welcome back to ExpoHub channel. Myself Rakesh, and today we are going to learn how will you control present validation station with this logic. I'm going to show you that logic, how you can control the present validation station. So in the document understanding, you have seen the present validation station comes out after the data extraction scope, and every time you do not need it to open. Okay, so for that you only have to implement a very simple logic which may help you. So let me show you that. So below this data extraction scope, whose output is stored in the extraction results, right? This is the variable which is holding the output of data extraction. So using that variable, I have built a small logic which can help you in your project or if you are learning document understanding. So let me tell you what you have to do. Create a for each loop, and in the for each loop, this is what you need. This is very important. All you have to do is with the variable dot results dot document fields. Let me show you in a bigger window. Okay, so this is your variable dot result document dot fields. This is what you need. All right, so once you have it, all you do in your for each loop, set the type argument. Okay, so the type argument is Uipath dot document processing dot contracts dot results data point. Okay, browse for this specific data type and you need to set that. That's all you need. Okay, so once you do this, what I'm trying to do is I wanted to see the confidence score of the document. To see the confidence score, I'm just using item dot values because I'm in the for each loop. I'm using item dot values 0, the first index dot confidence. Let's say you want to check something else. So whatever the value of the name of the field is, so here the name of the field is confidence, right? So based on the name of the field, I am showing you, I am writing this. So let me open that. So here what I have done, I am writing the extraction result variable into a document which I have already done it in the past. So I'm going to show you here in this document you have something called confidence. If you search for confidence, after the extraction, whatever the confidence score is from the, let's say you are using machine learning extractor or regex extractor, whatever the confidence score is, based on the confidence score we are there is a number 0.9527, that means it's 95%. Okay, so this is the confidence score. So based on that confidence score, if I want to see what is the confidence score of a specific item dot values 0 confidence. Okay, so I want to see that. Let's say if the confidence score is less than certain value, right, item dot value 0 dot confidence, it is less than 96%, then it should open present validation score. That's all you have to write. Okay, this particular, so your value could be different. Your value could be 80%, 60%, whatever your value is, you mention that item dot value 0 dot confidence, whatever your number is. Let's say 80, then you write 80. If it is 70, then write 0.70 or 75, whatever is your score, after which you want to open. If it is less than that, you wanted to open the present validation score. So this is how you put your logic, and below the then field I am using the present validation station, and it will validate, it will give you a human validation option, and then you can write it. So for that, all you do from your sequence, the export extraction result that you have, right, I'm going to cut it. Okay, I'm going to cut it, I'm going to write it to this. I'll go to the for each loop and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, here, and I'm going to paste it here. Let's copy this, select the activity and paste it. So what I want the break to execute after exporting the data, so I'll put it at the bottom. So here what we'll do, if it is going through the present validation station, then it should use the validated result variable and extract the data. Let's say it's not going, let's say everything is greater than that specific percentage, then I wanted to use the extraction results variable. Okay, I don't want the validated one. So that's a very simple logic. So once it goes through this process, then it is going to write it to my Excel file which I have mentioned over here in the for each loop. So it's going to write into my Excel file and my data will be written. So let's run it and see if this logic is really working or not. Okay, so right now if you see, the confidence score of the receipt that I'm trying to extract, which is less than 95%. Okay, that means less than 96. So it should go to present validation station. Okay, so if I run it now, it should open the present validation station. So let's see. Okay, so the execution started, and now next time I'm going to going to make it, if it is less than 50%, then only you open. So it should not open because all these scores are above 90, I mean 95, 94, like that, above 90. Okay, we will change that logic and see. This time I want it to open because one of the confidence score is less than 96. So let's see if the logic is really working or not. Okay guys, now it is in the machine learning extraction, and as per our condition, it should open up the present validation station. Okay, so the score is 0.95 for one of the field. The confidence score is lower than 96%, so that's where it is going to open the present validation station. Okay, the present validation station has opened. So this is what we want. Any field where the value is below 96, that's where it should open the present validation station, and it has done the job. What if I'm going to change that score? So guys, I'm going to change this to 50%. Okay, so if it is below than 50%, then only it should open the present validation station, otherwise it should not open. Okay, so let's run it and see this. So from here the decision will be made whether to open the present validation station or not. Okay, so the first score has come 95. So this condition will not meet and it should go to the else block. Okay, so it is looking at all the fields that I am trying to extract one by one. Okay, now you can see the present validation station did not open and my work has happened properly, right? So you must understand, and this can be still developed because one of the loophole for this logic is, for each of the field it was going to the else block. Okay, so you can still develop this logic and ensure it goes only once to save some execution time. But again, overall this is helping us to control the present validation station, when to open and when to not to open, right? So this logic would definitely help you. So I hope there is a learning for you in this video. Thank you so much, and we are going to connect in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.